Hello guys, how are you? Okay, so let's continue with our series Python from scratch for beginners. In this video, I will work with list and tuple. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's create a list, my list, okay, and we create list with square braces. Sunday, Monday. I'm adding some items to it. Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay guys, let's print list. Python my first app.py. Okay, you can see it printed out the list here. Now we can also count items of list with simple len function. Let me show you. You can see it printed out 4. Okay guys, now we can add and remove items from list. By the way, our list is changeable. You can change item easily. In tuple you can't change items. Okay, I will show you how can we do that, but let's work with list first. So let's add an item to the list, my list. We will use append method. Wednesday, Thursday, right? Now here we print my list, and you can see here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay guys, okay, now if we want to check index of some item like Monday, what we will do, we will simply use index method, and here we will specify the item. Okay, let's see. mm, Monday. Okay, right, I did not print that here. Okay, now it will work. Okay, you can see index number 101, right? Okay, you got the concept. Okay, so now if we want to count the item, like how many items with Monday, we can also create duplicate like Monday. Let me show you. Okay, we have 2 Monday. Duplicate values are acceptable in list. Now if we want to count some items with same name like Monday, so how we will find it out? We will use what we will use. Okay, we will use count function, right? And here we will specify the value. See, 2. We have 2 items with same name, Monday, right guys? Okay, then if you want to um, add 2 lists, like let me fix it first, like my list 2, and here I specify Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, we can simply do like my list 3 my list plus my list 2. Now here we print my list 3. Okay, you can see both lists are added into one. Okay guys, I hope you are enjoying it. And if you want to reverse the order, like now let's work with my list 3. If you want to reverse the order, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is there, now I want to reverse the whole order. So how we will do it? We will simply use reverse method, reverse, and here we will print it out. What's wrong? Okay, okay, we will simply reverse it. And here we will do like this. Okay, now you can see Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, the whole order is reversed. Okay, you got the point. Now shall I move to tuple or tell you more about it? Okay, we can also clear it. If you want to clear the list, you can simply use clear method, like this. Okay, now it will clear whole my list 3. You can see here. Okay guys, now let's move to tuple, but some things are left, like looping through the list, but I think we shall cover that in next video with looping. Okay, so let's move to tuples. Okay, tuples are similar thing, but that is unchangeable. You cannot change any item there. Okay, something I will cover in tuple that could be used with list as well, like showing specific item by index, like my list 1. Let me show you. You can see here Monday. Okay, I will tell you about range as well, but let's move to tuple. We will use range in tuple. Okay, otherwise the video will be so lengthy, you will not view it. Well, we need patience to learn anything. I am again telling you, if you want to learn something, you must have a patience. Okay guys, so now we create a tuple with round braces. I kept same items, just changed braces style to round. Okay, this is our tuple. Let's print it. Okay, you can see how is it looking with round braces. Now we can also print any item with index like 2, it should show Tuesday. So Tuesday, okay. And we can if you want to change tuple, like I said before, tuples are not changeable, but we can do like this. We will first typecast tuple to a list, okay. My list, we will change the type to list using list method, my tuple, okay. Now my list variable has list which is converted from my table, okay. Now our list is now our variable my list has a list. Now we can change any item of list. My list, mm, let's change Monday to Friday, okay. 1 Friday, okay. Now we can print it out, print my list. I will show you uh, it will throw error when I change to tuple, okay guys. So you can see it remove Monday and set Friday, okay. Now we can again set it back to my tuple, because currently this is list, so we will simply use tuple and here my list, okay. I hope you getting the point. In short words, tuples are not changeable. We need to create a second variable from tuple and convert it to list, right? Then we will change value in list and then we will change back to tuple. So I changed it, changed back to tuple. You can see here. Now this is tuple. If I try to change direct in tuple, see it will throw an error like my tuple 1 Friday, okay. You will see it will not work. You can see type error, tuple object does not support item assignment because it's unchangeable. I hope you got the concept, okay. Now here let me tell you about range, okay. So if you want to set range 1, so 1 means Monday, this is index 1, so Monday, okay. And 3 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, okay. So it will go to Tuesday, it will show Monday and Tuesday. In my previous video I explained this range. If you missed that video, please watch that video. I will give link in description. Now it will show Monday and Tuesday. Oh sorry, I had changed it here, okay guys. Now it will show fine Monday and Tuesday, you can see, right. If I remove this 1, then it will start from 0 and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. it will show these three items. Let me show you. You can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Right guys, you are getting it. I hope you are getting it. If I enter 1 back and remove 3, the first number is index, right? Index number. Second is count. If I remove 3 and just set 1 as index, then it will start from Monday and will go to end of the tuple. Same logic applies on list. Okay, but I did not cover this range in list to make a video short for you. I applied it here. Okay, so let me show you. Right, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, let me think if I missed anything. I think I covered everything about list and tuple. Told you about clearing a list as well, right? For looping, in next video I will show you how to loop through tuple and list, right? Okay, so I think this is enough for this video. And for concatenating, same method will be applied like I did with list, just uh, using a plus sign, or you can say addition sign, like this. Wait, let me show you. Like my tuple plus my tuple 2. Okay, this is an example. Let me add it. Wait, my tuple 2, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I just try to make a video short so you can easily understand what I am trying to explain you. Okay, my tuple 3, my tuple plus my tuple 2. Now it should be added. My tuple 3. Okay. Okay, you can see both tuples are added, or you can say concatenated, right? Now this is enough for this video. In next video I will show you how to use for loop and while loop. I will also show you how to loop through list and tuple. Okay, I hope you will enjoy all the series and my series will help you. So see you in next video, and please don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe to my channel, and please press bell icon so you will not miss my upcoming videos. Okay, so see you in next video guys. Take care. Bye bye.